it's your turn to salam.
I can get the box. I can get the box. Oh no, what did I forget to say? What did I forget to say? INSHA'AALLAH.
Now it's your turn to say INSHA'AALLAH.
Oh, Allah help me find the box. What's inside the box? It's Arabic. 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 Now it's your turn.
What sound was in the box last time? I remember.
Now it's your turn. Put your finger in the air and help me write the letter. Around, up, down and flick. One more time. Are you ready? Put your finger in the air. Around, up, down and flick. It's time for the countdown. Get your pen and paper ready before the time is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm ready. It's time for quiet work. You do your work while I do mine. Shh. I need to put a finger space and write it again. Come on, don't give up. Let's work together. Show me your work when you're finished. I'm almost done. Keep working. Don't give up. We need to get to the end of the line. Up, down and flick.
Show me your work.
MashaAllah, Allahumma barik. Are you proud of your work? Because I'm proud of you. It's not down in the water. It's not up to the sun. It's firmly on the ground. MashaAllah, Allahumma barik. You've been working so hard. Just a little bit more to go. I'm so proud.
Capital A. We go up to the sun, down to the ground, and across the middle.
One more time. Capital A. We go up to the sun, down to the ground, and across the middle. And let's write the small A. Around, up, down and flick. There we go, it's all done. It's as tall as the sun and firmly on the ground. The name is A. The sound is A. 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 It's time for segmenting and blending. Apple. Where's the A in apple? A. P. L. A. P. L. Now it's your turn.
Where is the A sound? Is it in the beginning, middle, or end?
It's at the beginning. Cat. K-a-t. Cat. K-a-t. Cat. Now it's your turn. Where is the sound?
Is it in the beginning, middle, or end?
It's in the middle. Ant. 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 Now it's your turn.
Where is the sound? Is it in the beginning, middle, or end?
It's in the beginning. Bat. B-a-t. Bat. B-a-t. Bat. Now it's your turn.
Where is the sound?
Is it in the beginning, middle, or end? It's in the middle. Did you listen like the student of knowledge? Did you strive for ihsan? If you did everything the best you can, say alhamdulillah and give salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so we can have more interactive phonic videos and so you can get some tips and tricks on how to teach your child. Follow me on Instagram where you can talk to me personally and we can discuss how to teach my child. Thank you for watching. Bye.